guys? Hey guys, it's me, Sean. And yeah, today I'm gonna be showing you guys my Toyota bike truck. Let's get into it. So to start, you go right here. Starting gates. And then you go into this left-hander, deep rut. Then you go into this triple double thingy. And land. And then you go through the straightaway with a roller. And then a left-hander. And then a big, huge double. And then there's sand right there. And then you land. And then the finish line's right there. So, I'm going to show you how it's done. It's number 14. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you want me to make another track, let me know. Comment below. Thanks, bye.